simple recipe, but it's very tasty. I'm learning to appreciate the simplicity in recipes. And, you know, nowadays with the new concentrates coming out being more complex, it's a lot easier, you know, to use less ingredients and make a recipe that tastes like it's pretty sophisticated. Okay, this one here though, 2 ingredients, and it's by Sin. I spoke with Sin and got permission to do a review on this recipe. They said that they do not release many recipes because they're not very confident in what they're doing. After today, I hope that changes, because I'm looking forward to hearing what else that you got. Okay, so let's take a look at this recipe real quick. Okay, as I said, it's called Rum Ballz with a Z. It's on ELR. The mixer name is Sin, C-I-N-N. Now, this uses rum baba from Wonder Flavors Super Concentrate at 4%, and Jamaican Special Rum from Flavor Art at 1%. Like I said, very simple. Let's give this a taste and see what's going on here. I mixed this, it's been steeping for 5 days. Testing this on the drop dead again, 0.1 ohms at 83 watts. Okay, so from the rum baba, I do get a little bit of bakery, not a lot, just a slight touch of bakery, and this sweet syrupy texture. It's not caramel, it's not a syrup, but that's what it feels like, just a sweet syrupy feeling. Now the Jamaican Special here, okay, that spice note from the Jamaican Special blends perfectly with this rum baba. You all, this is a great recipe, very simple. Mix it. That's my opinion. You should mix it. If I was going to do anything to this recipe at all, maybe add a little bit of vanilla to it. Just a touch. You can't add much, but just a little bit of vanilla to brighten things up a little bit. Other than that though, Sin, great job on this one. Let's see some more recipes out of it.